I'm filming the unboxing video of this 7 days of masking from Skin Treats. This is a $2.99 Christmas cracker from Home Bargains, and I grabbed it because I thought it would be good to unbox. I'm sorry that I'm filming in a different area, but honestly, if you look that way, it is really messy. So I'm sitting on my bed. I don't normally film here, but the mess is unreal. So we're going to unbox this. Like I say, this is $2.99 from Home Bargains, and it's a Christmas advent, like a Christmas cracker, but only 7 days. So it's 7 days of masking, 7 peel off masks to energize and moisturize your skin for a renewed and refreshed appearance. And it's from the brand Skin Treats. So we're going to unbox it together and see what you get in this Christmas cracker. So it's basically, can you remember Zoella done like a Christmas cracker? It's basically like that. So let's unbox it. So day number 1 is here. So we're gonna rip it open and see. Obviously everything is a face mask. Ooh, and I'm literally squishing it. I've literally broke it, I think. So the packaging on the face mask is not really like very exciting. The packaging of the cracker is exciting. And this says this is the Skin Treats Black Star Mask. It's a C box for information. So this must be, the information must be on this box somewhere. The ingredients on the bottom of the cracker, but we got the Black Star Glitter Face Mask, so that is it there. So basically I think it's like a black star. I wish the packaging had the actual images of the face mask on. I don't know, I do. I just feel like that. But anyways, we're on day number 2. So obviously it's going to be like a boring looking silver packet then. Oh, look what's happened. It's totally fell apart inside. So that's not very good, is it? Lucky enough, the little packets have their numbers on. So this is the Skin Treats Tea Tree Mask, and then it says C box for details. And obviously, like, that's it. So we got the tea tree one. So by the look of this little front here, the tea tree one isn't even, oh no, it is. So that's the tea tree one by their images, but like I say, it doesn't say anything. And on the writing, it just has their ingredients. It literally doesn't even say like how long to leave the face mask on. So I think you might have to Google that, which is kind of a bummer. Right, so we want day number 3. So like, this is not going to be exciting at all, I'm sorry. I thought this was going to be a bit more exciting. It's fell apart inside. This is the Skin Treats Blue Star Mask. So I'm assuming that it's got little stars in. I will probably use these and put pictures on my Instagram. It's always linked down below. But that's the blue star glitter one there. Right, so we want day number 4. So I'm assuming they must sell these as separate face masks, you know, where they're not really giving you like proper instructions. And it definitely fell apart on the inside on us. Lucky enough it's only 7 days. Like, that's literally come out. This is the neon pink one, so that's exciting. That is it there. I think my Megs would love the neon pink one. Right, so that's number 4. We want number 5. And this is it here. Right, we've got it here. Yeah, it is here. Number 5, this is the Skin Treats Purple Star Mask. So a lot of them I think have got like stars in. This is it here. There on the little image. It doesn't really say on this front bit either, like how long to leave them on or anything. So we want number 6. So we'll open number 6, but it's in there somewhere. So here is number 6, and this is the aloe vera mask. So I think they're all on the front, yeah. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. So these are all the masks you are getting here. And then the next mask is day number 7, which is the last face mask. and that is the pink star mask, which is this one here. So I don't know what you guys think of this. I'm sorry that this was not as exciting as I thought. I'm just going to double check that there's no like instructions on how to use these. No, there isn't. I think they could have done on the back of the door how long the face mask needs to be on and the ingredients of that. They've done all the ingredients and everything on this. This is basically the information you've got on this little bit here. But it doesn't tell you how long to leave the face mask on. I'm assuming it's probably till it's set. So it's kind of like that. But I think that's a bit of a bummer. I think they should have put these faces on these pockets. That's the only really downside. I feel like these packets look a bit... I will use them still. I mean, that doesn't stop me from using them. But say if you wanted to open this up and separate it as gifts, because I probably would have used a couple and then done that. You couldn't really give these like as gifts. But for $2.99, I mean, it's really nice packaging. Like this bit, it's just this bit that isn't. But it's okay. But I definitely think it was a little bit lackluster. But I mean, it's $2.99. But anyways, tell me what you think of this Christmas cracker unboxing. Or tell me what you think of this Christmas cracker from Home Bargains. If you like these type of videos, please subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!